Most patients, when they come in for their next appointment after the implant's been placed, they expect the restoration. But in most dental offices, that's an imaging or an impression appointment. And somebody always has to be the bad guy in the office and explain to the patient, no, you're not getting the restoration today. And once we do that, the patients are always surprised. And they say, well, you've had 3 months, why isn't it ready yet? And so they don't really understand those workflows. So the convenience for them is that not always, but oftentimes, one day I place my implant and then no imaging is required. The next appointment, they receive the restoration. And eliminating an extra appointment to my patient means they don't have to take another vacation day off of work. They don't have to hire another babysitter. It's a big, big convenience for them. I really didn't have the ability before to, on day one, do surgery, and then without ever taking an impression or an optical scan of the patient's implant, on the next appointment be able to deliver the final restoration.